Hello, welcome. Let us discuss and understand how you can run a DeepSeek R1 in your local machine. DeepSeek R1 is a large language model and it is been released by Chinese company recently. It has been considered as one of the very good competitor for a OpenAI's GPT models. For running this, we will be using a Ollama. Ollama is a platform for running a large language models. Just like you will be using a JDK and JRE to run a Java program, right? Something like that. Here to run a large language model, the AI models, we will be using a Ollama. Let us download and install Ollama. To download the Ollama, you can visit this particular website and you can run various models like Llama 3.3, DeepSeek R1, Mistral, like many other models using this Ollama platform, right? This is an engine for running the large language models. You can click on download. Based on the operating system, you can download either Mac or Linux or Windows. I will download for Mac OS. It will take some time for download based on your internet speed. So it has been downloaded here in the downloads folder as a zip file. You just double click to extract this, and once it is extracted, you will find this kind of icon. You can double click on this. It will start the installation process. Ollama works best when you run from application directory. You can click on move to application and you can click on next here, and you can click on install, and you can provide your password here. I will provide my password for my PC. If you want to run the Llama 3.2, you can use this command, but we are going to run the DeepSeek R1, so I will just click on finish. So now Ollama is installed. Once it is installed, you will be able to find this kind of icon in the application folder, and you can open the terminal and you can provide the command Ollama -v. It will provide the version of the Ollama which is being installed. Here the version is 0.5.7. Here in the Ollama website, if you go to models, you can see here various models it is supporting, right? So DeepSeek R1 is the one we are going to use. Just click on this one here, and here there are various versions of DeepSeek R1. They have various releases. Here the latest release is using 671 billion parameters, which is 404 GB. The higher models here will give a better result, but it requires a lot of computation power. For checking purpose, I will use this 1.5 billion parameter model. It is having just 1.1 GB, right? I will select this, and you can use this particular command to install this particular version of the DeepSeek R1. I will copy this, I will open the terminal, and I will use that command and hit enter. So it is pulling the model now. It will take some time to download and install based on your internet speed and the file size. If you are downloading higher model, it will take more time because the size is also more here, right? So let us wait for this installation to complete. Locally running AI model in your own PC or environment is useful when you don't want to share your data, when you don't want to share data with external parties. Some people saying that DeepSeek R1 is hosted in China, they don't want to send the data to the China, and all those security issues, whatever they are feeling. If you want to maintain the privacy or security things, then you can download. When you download the AI model and run in your own environment, your own PC, data will not be going to external parties. In that way, you can maintain the security and privacy of your data. So now the installation is successful. I will close this one and let me open the terminal again. Now I will type Ollama -v. Ollama version, it will display. You can provide the command Ollama help. It will provide all the available commands. So if you give Ollama PS, it will show the running model of Ollama. To identify the models that are installed in your system, you can give here Ollama list. This is the model that has been installed in your system. To run this model, you need to provide Ollama run and the model name. So it started running now. After running this command, Ollama run DeepSeek R1, the model name, right? Now you can start using this model. Now there are a couple of ways to use this model. You can either use through this command line. Let us say I will ask some simple question. Write a Java program to add two numbers. Let us see what it will give. So it has started thinking. You can see here think, and once here it is completed thinking, and here you can see the program here, right? It has written a Java program, and it's also providing an explanation here. So it has given the output also here, all the explanations related to the program. Similarly, I will ask one more question. What is capital of USA? So alright, so I need to find out the capital of United States. So it started thinking, these are the states. So see, it is not giving a correct output here because this model is not well trained model, because it is a only 1.5b parameters. So it is not given proper answer for this particular question. The capital of United States is Alabama, it is giving. So it is listed down all the states here of USA. This is one way of using the model. So of course, because of limited storage capacity and limited CPU GPU capacity in the system, I have used this lower version of the model, so which may not give you the accurate output, and you need to use this higher model to provide a proper output, but this requires a lot of computational power. So for illustration purpose we are using this lowest model. So now one more thing is, instead of using the command line like this, you can also have a GUI. For that, what you can do is, you can go to this particular website, Chatbot AI. This Chatbox AI is like a UI for the AI. It provides a GUI for chatting with any model. So you can download based on your operating system. So you click on this one, it will download. So it is downloaded here in the downloads folder. I can double click on this and you can just move it to the applications folder. So it will get installed. So you can click on open. So it will open this particular chatbot. Here it has given the different kind of rules and all. So here basically you need to go to the settings. In the settings, here you select this Ollama API, right? And here, based on the model that you installed in your system, you will get the models here. I have installed DeepSeek R1 1.5b, so I am getting this one, and this URL will get automatically populated, and you can click on save. Now you can use this UI to chat with the DeepSeek R1 model that we have installed. For example, I can ask the same question, or I can ask a different question. Let us say, write Java program to reverse a string. So it is thinking here. It has done thinking. Is it an image or a stock chart? Do you analyzing the specific image? It seems that you are trying to share an image. So some issue here, whether I have uploaded. So let me do one thing. I will clear the current version, confirm. So let me clear all the messages, confirm. Now I will ask a question again, same, write Java program to reverse a string. It is thinking now, you can see here. So it is writing a program now, right? You can see. So it has also done some explanation and sample output also it has given. So earlier it was giving some wrong output because of previous history. So sometimes it can give a issue because of the previous context. Also this model is not that much advanced model because we are using this 1.5b, right? So in this way you can install Ollama and you can run the Ollama in your own PC, in your own environment, your own organization. It will provide you privacy and security for your data. Your data no need to go outside of your country, outside of your organization, right? So the DeepSeek R1 is one of the recently released very good LLM. Thank you for watching.